हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। सबको गुड मॉर्निंग। और मैं बताने जा रहा हूँ आज चैप्टर 1 का क्वेश्चन आंसर। मुझे बहुत सारे बच्चों ने क्वेश्चन आंसर भेजे हैं। मैंने कुछ का चेक किया, जिन्होंने पहले भेजा है उनका मैंने चेक कर दिया पहले, और उनका मैं आज यूट्यूब वीडियो में शामिल करने जा रहा हूँ। इसमें कुछ बच्चे हैं, जैसे मैं रिशु है, मनीषा है, इन लोग का कुछ को मैंने चेक किया है। तो फिर से हम लोग शुरू से देखेंगे। और जो भी बच्चे मुझे भेजते हैं क्वेश्चन आंसर फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स बनाकर, मैं उनका पर्सनली बुक चेक करके वापस से उन्हें पीडीएफ बनाकर भेजता हूँ। और बच्चों, आपसे निवेदन है कि आप भी पीडीएफ के फॉर्म में बढ़िया से बनाकर भेजिए, ताकि मुझे चेक करने में आसान हो। क्योंकि जैसे तैसे रहता है तो चेक करना थोड़ा दिक्कत होता है। जैसे यहाँ पर देखिए, ये ब्लैंक स्पेस दिखा रहा था, तो सुंदर से बनाकर भेजा कीजिए। तो चलते हैं हम लोग। फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स पहले है, कंप्यूटर्स ऑन द नेटवर्क आर कॉल्ड। नेटवर्क में जब एक कंप्यूटर होता है तो उसको हम लोग क्या कहते हैं? जब कंप्यूटर एक नेटवर्क में होता है तो हम लोग एक कंप्यूटर को नोड कहते हैं। सो ये नोड सही जवाब है, और यहाँ पर भी नोट्स लिखा हुआ है, ये भी सही है। मैं दो आंसर को कंपेयर कर रहा हूँ, दोनों ने बहुत अच्छे से लिखा है। टू सेटअप नेटवर्क मीडिया कैन बी, तो नेटवर्क बनाने के लिए हम लोग का मीडिया क्या क्या हो सकता है? वायर्ड मीडिया एंड वायरलेस मीडिया। देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ मीडिया that is possible, and example of wired media are twisted pair and coaxial cable and fiber optics, है ना? तो ये तीन तरह का जो है केबलिंग हो सकता है, जो कि वायर्ड मीडिया है। एंड देन एग्जांपल ऑफ वायरलेस मीडिया आर इंफ्रारेड, ब्लूटूथ, रेडियो वेव। दिस आर द three different wireless media by which we can connect internet. And this one is wrong here. I want to tell you, uh, a blank is a network where all computers are computers, all the nodes are connected to exactly two other nodes. So here we should write ring topology. In ring topology we have computers connected exactly with two other computers. Here Risu has done correct. This is ring topology, this one is correct. And then the true false. Let's see. The relationship between the network devices in that network is known as the network topology. So the relationship between the network devices means router or modem. These devices and their relationship do not call network topology, but the shape and arrangement of nodes in a network is called topology. So this is false. Second one, a line topology creates a network by connecting two or more hosts to a length of coaxial cable, backbone cabling. This is also false. And then a tree topology forms a network by arranging hosts in a hierarchical order. There, the tree topology has a root, a node, which forms the base of the network. This is true. As you had seen in the chapter, I had explained you that there is a base network, means one of the computer is at the base and all others forms like a tree like a structure by getting connected with each other. Then the breeze is an Ethernet device. Yes, breeze is Ethernet device. It simply receives electronic impulses from one wire and resends them on the another wire. This is true. And a hybrid topology uses a combination of multiple basic network topology. This is also true, because in hybrid topology there are all different types of topology mixed up. So it is the multiple basic network topology. Okay, and this girl has also done correct, but only B number and D number you have to see. These are the false. Okay, next one, and the next one is MCQ. Choose the correct option. The first question is connected computers can share resources like. What can connected computers can share? They can share file also, they can share printer also, internet also. So the answer is all of these. Then devices to connect network to other network is network devices, not node. Okay, Hasiya done some mistake, I think so. Yes, node is incorrect. The correct answer is network device. Okay, next number is, after that, C number. A device that modulates demodulate signal is modem. A full form is modem. Is itself modulator and demodulator. Okay, an electronic device that receives a signal and retransmits it to a higher level is a repeater. Okay, then topology that create a network by arranging two or more host machine around a central hub is star topology. Okay, and this girl had all done correct here. Yes, this is all correct. And then let's see question answer. I had corrected this one, and I will show you also another answer. So the question number 1 4A is, what is the network? What is a computer network? What is the purpose of creating a network? So answer is, a computer network is a set of computers connected together electronically for the purpose of sharing resources. I want to tell you, Rishu, that you should improve your writing. You have to take care of capital letter and a small letter. See, you have written the C in capital here, which is not correct. Okay, so this answer is correct. Another answer I want to show you here, and this answer is here. Yes, a computer network is a set of computers connected together electronically for the purpose of sharing resource, data, or information. Okay, this is also correct. I have corrected it. The red color marcation is done by me. So you can write this answer also and the above answer also. Now the question number B is, what is a network device? Name any 3 network devices. So the electronic device which are used in making a computer network functioning. Here I have forgot to write G. This should add here. Functioning, robust, and interchangeable is known as network device. 3 network devices are hub, switch, and router. Okay, these 3 you can write, and another answer I am showing you above, and here it is. Question number 4. Yes, a device which is used to connect network different small or large network are called network devices. This is also correct, and that I showed you previously, that was also correct. And the 3 devices are router, modem, bridge. You can write hub, switch, anything. Okay. Now the next question is, what is router? How is it different with gateway? Okay. So here a router is a network device which is responsible for routing traffic from one network to another network. Then gateway. What is gateway? Gateway is a device or address used to access another network, whereas router is responsible for routing traffic from one to another network only. Okay, this is correct answer. I want to show you the another answer. You may choose anyone. Here I had corrected. Okay, a router is a network device which is responsible for routing traffic from one to another network, but gateway is the device or address used to access another network. So this is a smaller answer. You can write this answer also. This also fit well. Next question number D is, what is modem? How does it work? So the answer is modem. Here you have to write capital letter These things you should remember. Modem stands for modulator and demodulator. That means it modulates or demodulates the signal between the digital data of a computer and the analog signal of a telephone line. This is correct answer. And the working is also included in this answer, so this is a small and best answer. Now I want to show you another answer also. Another student have written, you can see here. A modem stands for modulator, demodulator. It modulates and demodulates the signal between the digital data of a computer and the analog signal of a telephone line. Okay, the same answer is here. Okay, now next question is, what do you understand by network topology? Explain any two topologies. So the shape of a network and the relationship between the nodes in that network is known as network topology. And there are 7 types of topology, that is line topology. This is not required. They are not asking that you have to write different types of topology here. This is not required, but if you are writing, this is no way it is correct. Then the explanation for two, you have to give only explanation for any two topologies. So bus topology, a bus topology creates a network by connecting two or more hosts to a length of a coaxial cable, coaxial backbone cabling. Okay, in this topology a terminator must be placed on the end of the backbone coaxial cabling. Okay, this is the explanation for bus topology. And another explanation is a star topology. A star topology creates a network by arranging two or more host machines around a central hub. This is also correct. Now I want to show you another answer, and this is the last answer, and after that there is activity. You can do this activity only because there is definition in fair copy. Many of the students were asking that whether they have to do this in their copy or not. You all can do this, define the following in your copy, because these are important. So here the another answer is the shape of a network and the relation, same answer, between two nodes in that network is known as network topology. And the okay, now what is written here is not clear. Let's guess. Okay, the tree topology. So he has explained tree topology. The tree topology forms a network by arranging hosts in a hierarchical order. Okay, this is correct. And a bus topology creates a network by connecting two or more hosts to a length of coaxial backbone cabling. Okay, so bus topology and tree topology he has explained. You can explain any of the two out of the 7 that you had seen previously. This boy has written. You can explain any of these 7 topology, any two of the 7 topologies. Okay, now let's see definition of some important terms, that is in activity. You have to do this in your fair copy, and fair copy should be practical. Define the following. A repeater. What is repeater? A repeater is an electronic device that receives a signal and retransmit it to a higher level or higher power so that the signal can cover longer distance. This is correct. A repeater means एक ऐसा एक डिवाइस जो कि सिग्नल को रिसीव करता है एक तरफ से और दूसरे तरफ ऊंचा करके इसको रोबस्ट करके मजबूत करके दे देता है ताकि सिग्नल बहुत दूर तक चल सके. ओके, this is a repeater, and I had explained you also when I was teaching you or explaining you the chapter. And then the next one is breeze. The breeze is just as in real life, it connect to different land, or means two ends of the river. In a similar way, it connects two different network together, or two different address together. The breeze is an Ethernet device. It simply receives electronic impulses from one wire and resend them on the another wire. Okay, So this is the function of these in real and network, both the same. And then network hub. What is hub? Hub, I have explained you. Network hub is a networking device which is used to connect multiple network hosts. Means this can have, with the help of hub we can connect many of the hosts together at a single point. After that, the star topology. What is star topology? A star topology creates a network by arranging two or more host machines around a central hub. So in a star topology, there is central hub and all the nodes are connected together. Next one is ring topology. So ring topology is what? A ring topology is a network where all the nodes are connected to exactly two other nodes. Means in here here we have ring like a structure, and there is nodes between nodes in the ring. For example, this 0 I am arranging this is like a node, and this is the cabling and ring topology. Such type of uh, uh, arrangement in ring topology is there. Okay, and the result is a circular ring shape. Okay, so this was all the question answer of chapter 1. Keep learning, keep watching, and students, all students of class 8, you are requested to do the fair in your fair copy. Thank you students. Bye bye.